Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. So I wanted to end the week on a good note. So it looks like there's potentially some good news. So I went through the SEC website and I just happened to come across this guy. And I think in general Defiance ETFs are great, but sometimes they get a lot of the usual NAV erosion complaints. And this will probably be similar to SPY I. So now that we have like triple QI. So what's interesting about this one doesn't have like the usual like disclaimer or anything. And over here, if you notice, like they're planning to roll it out January 29th or around that time. So I'm thinking it might come out sometime this next week if everything goes well. So I just wanted to alert you guys to that. I mean, it's not final, but it's good to at least like have some like good news on the horizon. So this one is called the NEOS Nasdaq 100 High Income ETF, and this will also have monthly distributions, and the expense ratio is 68 basis points. So again, very similar to SPY, and there's a similar methodology except they're using Nasdaq stocks plus NDX covered calls or potentially some call spreads as well. And then also another bit of like some good news. Although this is probably not as exciting, but Defiance also announced on their Twitter handle that they like the declaration dates for like the coming year, and of course like the payable dates as well. So let's see. So next week we'll see like the January 31st, and then ex dividend date is February 1st, record date February 2nd, and then we'll get it in our brokerage accounts around like this February 6th. So that's some good news. And I still think that was a pretty good time to be alive. I know like some of my prior videos are a little bit on the negative side, but this is some good news, I think. So I think NEOS might be able to outperform in terms of price action, but maybe not yield. So we'll still have to see. And I think, just in general, it's good to have like different income-based investments just to round out your portfolio. And of course, like the usual risks, you don't have control over the option strike selection. Implied volatility, unfortunately, is kind of on the lower side. And of course, like things could always get cheaper, and the yields won't be consistent month to month, and you won't be able to borrow against them yet. Although, like I mentioned in the past, by eye, like we're able to borrow against it. So, hopefully we'll give this guy some time too, and this will also be able to be used as collateral as well. And of course, like if you can like this video and subscribe and share and all that kind of good stuff, that would be greatly appreciated. Again, I think things are looking up. I hope everyone has a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.